Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to configure automatic AirPlay settings in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on general. And here you can see the option AirPlay and continuity. Click on it and then click on automatically AirPlay. And here you can see three options. If you can select never, your AirPlay will never connect automatically. And if you can select ask, your AirPlay will give in permission to connect. And if you can select automatic, your AirPlay will be connect automatically with other devices. So this is the way to configure automatic AirPlay settings in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.